Renee is currently installing an XPEL paint protection film kit. So we have pre-cut patterns that fit all of these little trim pieces all through your Tesla. So now you can touch your window switches and not worry about scratching them. Check this out. So if you guys want to protect more than just your center console and black trim pieces, XPEL also makes some products in their Fusion lineup that will protect the upholstery and the fabric and the trim and leather and anything else that's on your interior. So we've got XPEL Fusion plastic and trim, XPEL Fusion upholstery, and then sometimes we'll even use the glass coating on the mirrors and the screen. So check that out. Patrick is going to do that now.